Welcome back to my YouTube channel Daily Trending News. Viewers, Liverpool soccer star Diogo Jota has died in a car crash in Spain with his younger brother, the Portuguese Football Federation said. The 28-year-old Jota, who won the Premier League title with Liverpool last season and played for Portugal's national team, got married to Rute just 2 weeks ago. The couple have three children together. The crash occurred near Zamora in northwestern Spain. Jota's brother André was also killed. According to the FPF, Silva, 26, played for Penafiel in the second tier of Portuguese soccer. Spain Guardia Civil said in a statement that their investigation points to a road accident due to a burst tire while overtaking which occurred at